Today I'm making irresistible sweet teriyaki beef jerky with my dehydrator I got for Christmas. I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking.
First, you're going to need eye round beef or any lean beef like sirloin tip, top and bottom round, or flank. Make sure you get your butcher to cut it into thin strips about 5 millimeters thick.
Now, before you try to grab a ribeye, it's important to know that fat is the enemy of beef jerky.
Any fat that remains on the beef will spoil much quicker than the rest of the jerky, posing a major food safety hazard. So stick with lean beef. After rinsing your beef, make sure to pat dry.
We're going to be working on a flavorful marinade. It's important that you let it marinate overnight for best results, or at least for 6 hours.
To a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, ½ teaspoon of red chili flakes, or more if you like it spicy, 1/4 cup of raw honey, 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and the correct pronunciation is Worcestershire, 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce, and Baby Ray's sweet teriyaki sauce. I'm using about 3/4 of the bottle. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and a little pepper, then whisk until smooth. Now add it all over your beef. Mix it, making sure every piece is coated with this marinade. When you're done, cover and marinate overnight. It's the next day. Let's get this baby started, but first, we'll give it a quick mix. I like to set paper towels under my wire racks before laying my beef on them. Oops, before you do, spray a little oil to avoid sticking. I'm going to let these sit here for 30 minutes so they drip on the paper towels. In the meantime, let me show you what I'm using to make these. This is a Kasori dehydrator my stepdaughter gifted me for Christmas. Thanks, Kimmy. It comes with 6 racks, which I thought was really nice. This plastic tray you place at the bottom to catch all the drippings. This other piece, I believe, is for making fruit roll-ups. It came with a recipe book, which I have not had a chance to look at as much, and with a manual. After 30 minutes, let's place our trays in the dehydrator. My 2 pounds of beef took 3 trays total. I'm setting my temp to 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. The book said 6 hours, but I'm going to check it around the 3-hour mark just to make sure. I'll let you know how long it took in a bit.
If you don't have a dehydrator, try placing it in the oven at 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Just be sure to keep an eye on it.
It's been 4 hours and these are ready. Let's take these to the counter so we can break into one and I can show you how I package and store them. Let's take a look. Jerky that's done will be able to be torn in half but not snap. It also shouldn't feel rubbery. The outside should have a somewhat dry, leathery appearance. To give you a better idea, jerky that isn't done will also feel like rubber bands and have hues of pink and purple at the bend. I purchased these 6x10 vacuum seal bags, although I probably could have gone slightly smaller in length. I also recommend oxygen absorbers, which are the little packets you see at the store in the beef jerky. Now there's different packets, so make sure you get the oxygen absorbers. I'm going to place about 6 of them in each bag, then we're going to vacuum seal these. Links to everything I'm using today will be posted in the description below of my YouTube video or in my bio for other platforms. After they're packaged, you want to keep them in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight. Beef jerky can last up to 1 year if perfectly vacuum sealed and stored in a cool area. When stored in bag with an oxygen absorber packet, but not vacuum sealed, it can last up to 1 to 2 months. If stored vacuum sealed in the freezer, it can last up to 2 years. Now, it's not recommended to vacuum seal partially open packages as the air remaining inside can promote spoilage.
I hope you give this delicious beef jerky a try, and in the comments, let me know what's your favorite flavor. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, please be sure to give it a like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking! Be sure to check out these videos on the side.